Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's topic is nocturnal bird, and the bird is bat. So let's start. Bats are the only mammals that can fly. Bats are the mammals and they can fly. Next point, a bat's body is covered head to toe in fur. Next point, bats are active during the night. They sleep during the day. Bats can find their food in darkness. They eat insects, fruits, frog, etc. They are omnivorous. Bats usually lives in caves or trees. Baby bats are called pups. Lifespan of average bats are around 30 years. Thank you for watching.